Hey, it's Marko, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to join the affiliate program of Louis Vuitton. Now, before we start with the video, I would appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. Now, to break your bubble, Louis Vuitton doesn't have a direct affiliate program with it associated with this luxury brand, but there are platforms like Luxury Garage Sale, Farfetched, and The Real. They act as intermediates, connecting potential affiliates to Louis Vuitton's vast product range. So what you want to do is basically go to this site, sign up with their affiliate, and start sending Louis Vuitton stuff. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem down below.